What's going on, guys? Edwin Beast 99 aka Lil Chubby 42 in the fucking cut. You dig? Back to it with another video. I know I haven't seen you guys in forever, so you guys are gonna be disappointed on what you're about to see. And alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. Just kidding, my hair is still fine and dandy as ever. Super anticlimactic. Sorry, my hair's been in a messy bun all day. That's how fuckboys take pictures. You dig? Today, I'm just gonna be working on my hair and show you guys. Next month, my hair turns a year. Not a year. It turns 2 years and 6 months. My hair is hella messy. It's been in a weird bun all day. You guys remember when my dreads were hella little? I keep looking over there because you guys know there's a mirror back there. With my hair looking spiffier than your last bitch. You dig? Show you guys a run of the mill, little, 360 quick scope. There we go. So today I'm just gonna be doing a quick little retwist. And I might be blunting some ends, so let's just, let's wait for the talkity talk, the smackity smack. Please hit my DMs for a quick snack, you dig? Because, Lil Chubby always coming in with the snacks. Because I'm fatter than a fat fuck. Do I still look homeless? Hit the comments if I still look homeless. Make sure to leave a like before the video even gets started, you dig? I don't know, I might just do a little quick, time lapse of me retwisting my hair because nobody wants to see that. Everybody wants to see me blunt some of my ends. I'm gonna be doing that today. Probably blunt like 2 more ends or whatever. It's getting kind of hot in Cali, man. I've been thinking next year I'm gonna cut like 5 inches off, and even with me cutting 5 inches off, it's still gonna be under my chin. Like, this is my front dread. If I cut like 5 inches off, it'd be like 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and it'll be like here. Maybe I'll cut like 3 inches off. 3 inches would be like down here. I've gotten so used to having my hair long, I can't even do my pineapple bun anymore. My hair is too long to do the pineapple bun. If I cut it off, I'm gonna have my pineapple top again. My hair is just getting way too out of hand, you dig? Look at this. My hair is like longer than your dick. That's way too long. Well, let's start this time lapse. Alright guys, so I started the timer around the 3rd dread I was done with, and even with me messing around, it took me about 30 minutes, mostly because I'm a bum. Also, as you can see, I'm using no product in my hair, no water, no gel, no wax. You don't really have to when you have straight hair. You can use the rubber bands to hold. Another way to not use rubber bands is to braid your hair right afterwards. But if you have straight hair, you need to be quick because those twists are not going to hold. As you can see, I'm making a hell of a lot of funny faces. And it's probably ASMR as fuck right now. You guys can hear me breathing. Yes. But as you can see, I'm pretty much just taking a quick process to this. Doing my hair, doing row by row. I tend to twist each dread in the same direction every single time. It will give you the best form to lock. Your hair tends to want to twist the same direction every single time. As you can see, every dread on my left side I twist left, and every dread on my right side I twist right. Every single time since I started twisting my hair. It's just a good habit, and like I said, your hair tends to want to keep doing that, and it'll twist better and lock up the same way each time. Alright, thank you guys for listening to my shit. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm better than ever. I just got done with the retwist. I started the timer when I was like done with 3 dreads, and then I started the timer, and it took about like 30 minutes. And I mean, it's okay. I mean, if I was going out or something, I would have done a better job, but I don't really care. Usually I retwist like once a month anyways, keep my hair, you know, as you can see. But obviously my roots look a lot better than they did. Like, I can hear people making noise in the hallway and stuff outside my room. This is why I don't make that many videos, because I can never get some peace and quiet around here. I swear to God. There's your second daily dose of cat. The other one's somewhere around there. All right, so now for the good part. You guys want to see me blunt some ends? Let's go with this one. You guys want to see this one? All right. So this is what I do. This is how I've always blunted my ends. People like to blunt them and not put rubber bands, but that's always why their blunted ends go away. And they're like, oh, I can't get my hair to blunt. Usually I just bend the tip a little bit. So I'll bend it like this and go in and out. I think I've done a video before where I showed you guys how I blunt my ends. Just want a couple more blunted ends. Kind of like the freaky, weird things they do after you blunt them. And it's kind of hard to see. I don't even know if the camera's in focus. Go in and out, in and out, in and out. The crochet needle I'm using is a 0.5 millimeter. It's pretty small. If you want your best results with straight hair and get blunted ends, trust me, use a rubber band. And as you guys can see from the time lapse, if you don't use good rubber bands, they'll get stuck in your hair. The rubber bands I use are really like nice. They're from Walmart. They're like $1.50 for like 300 of them. And $1.50 every 6 months or whatever. I don't use all of them. I end up buying more before I run out, because I don't like the different sizes there are. There's like a really small ones, and then like the medium size one. The medium size ones are a lot bigger than the small ones. So I don't like using those. As you can see, those are the only ones I have left, which is why some dreads get like 5 twists on one rubber band. It's not that they're really tight. Those are just bigger than some of the other ones, and depending on how big. And like you see, after you've had them for like over a month in your hair, every time you wash your hair and stuff, like they'll lose their stretchiness, so they get looser. And then once they break off by themselves just by messing with your hair, that's how you know it's time to retwist again. There you go. You see that's about a blunt end. I can go in further and get this in there too. Go into the crochet needle, poke it in there, collect a little bit of hair that we just got right there, stick it in there, comes out this side like that, and then you can just go in and out and fix it. I mean, I don't really care too much. I kind of like leaving it as is and then watching the hair do its own little thing. Probably gonna promo again. See, the kind of little tip kind of always comes back. That's pretty much a blunted end. I grab a rubber band, kind of just stick it at the tip like this. Doesn't have to be too tight. Kind of just stick it in there. Could be a little tighter. I'm gonna tighten it one more, and then you go blunted end. And usually I leave the rubber band in for like maybe 6 weeks or whatever, and then by then it should be good. This is the back one. I'm gonna do this top one right here. It's kind of blunted by itself, but it's got some like weird loose tip. You can see it's like blunted all the way up to here, and then it's just got some weird loose hair. So I'm just gonna bring this in real quick. Just kind of fold this in. I mean, I never recommend folding your dread to blunt it. That's just weird. But the tip is like less than an inch, so it's not like it makes a difference. Because then you get some like baseball bat looking dreads where it's just like, looks like a baseball bat, if you know what I mean. Like it's really skinny at the bottom, and out of nowhere the tip just looks like 3 times bigger. I'm just gonna use the crochet hook for this one. Get this weird loose hair that's not in the dread, like right here. Grab this hair, twist it up into the crochet hook, and then pull it through. So now it's pulled through, and I can really go in there and just crochet the hell out of it. Like I said, sorry that you guys can't really see. To be honest, it's kind of hard for me to see, and I'm trying to look at my own hair here. Now it looks something like this. I'm gonna crochet some more. And I'm not one to crochet my hair. I like never crochet my hair. The last time I crocheted my dreads was either A, when I did the tips, or when I first started doing my dreads. And to be honest, I don't really care if I break any hairs at the tips because the rest of my dread is really locked up. I'd just be breaking hairs that are at the bottom. Now when you crochet up and down and you start breaking hairs in between and everywhere, that's bad because then that makes your dreads really weak. As you can see, pretty much a blunted tip. Like palm rolling it really helps it keep it together. And I'm just gonna put a rubber band on here too. I just kind of keep it in for 6 weeks. All right. If I see another back one that needs it, I'll probably do it as well. This one is blunted, but it's got a weird freaky blunt. And all of these other ones are blunted. And this back one is blunted. Yeah. So the only ones I have left are the 3 front ones. Oh no, and this one. Well, this one right here. I'll do this one too. Again, sorry if you can hear people outside my room. They're annoying as hell. I'm gonna stick it in right around here. It's just kind of hard to do, which means it's very locked up. I'm just gonna stick this little tip into it. I done fucked up AA Ron. Should work now. I guess it's pretty hard, which means my dread is very, very locked up. There we go. Bring it in kind of like that. Kind of looks funky, but like I said, once you crochet it and everything, it comes out fine. This is a very well locked dread. I mean, I like my wispy tips, but like I said, I think they've been wispy for way too long. And I don't mind that, but kind of want to see some new things happen with my hair other than it getting longer. It's pretty much a blunted tip. I'll put a rubber band on this tip. Like I said, I love my hair and I like the wispy tips, but kind of want to see some new things happen for once. I'm probably going to leave these 3 for another time. So now I got 3 new. I know it's 3, it's something like that, I don't care. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something new. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. Gang, stay tuned to my videos and new videos. And I really appreciate all the love that you guys show me in the comments all the time. I'm a little sweating because it's freaking hot in here. It's winter and it's hot in California. Well, thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and rubber glove.